What up, y'all? Sir Cash here. Update on the Lexus GS 350. As you see, there's different wheels on the car, and there's a reason why there's different wheels on the car, because I was driving Lyft in Dallas, and that happened. That bend has actually been there for quite some time. I hit a big pothole here in Tulsa. It just came out of fucking nowhere, and bent that wheel. That actually holds air. The wheel actually bent on the inside, and I've gotten it repaired, and driving down there, hit another freaking pothole somewhere right there. There's another bend. The reason why this is white is because when it was fixed, they have to burn it to mold it back. So yeah, bent my wheel. That sucks. There's a shop here in town that can bend it back, but I'm gonna go ahead and order brand new barrels. So you know, it comes with the price. You know, your old stretch tires, you're gonna get scuffs and stuff like that. Paint's gonna flake off. Some people can keep their wheels pretty immaculate, and you know, my hat off to you. But for me, you know, just having these tires and wheels, well, more of the wheels. I've had these wheels for a couple years now, so that's pretty much you know, daily use and how it'll catch up with you. If you have, you know, nice fancy wheels and you have a pair of you know, other wheels that you can put on, more power to you. But at this point in time, or at that point in time, all I had was these to roll on. So down in Dallas, after I hit the pothole, jumped on Facebook Marketplace, and I seen a guy who was selling some Lexus RC350 F Sport forged set. So these are wheels that do not come in the car originally. These are an aftermarket Lexus set, essentially. So they're OEM, but they don't come on the car. So this is their forged set. The dude was selling these wheels for $850 for a full set. And when I say they're flawless, all these wheels have no scuffs on them. He actually gave me the locks and the lugs to them, but I actually just chose mine because I think it looks pretty dope. And if you've been following my channel for quite some time, you would see that always on my dash, I never had, I always had a TPS light on. When I bought the car, they was really funny about it. The light was off, so I'm assuming that I have tire pressure sensors in the car. I never did from day one. So these wheels cost $850, and then the tires are Toyo Proxys. They're the Proxy Sport AS. They're the all season, and these tires cost me $930. So $850 plus $930, and I bought the TPS sensors brand new from the same guy. This guy was dope. I got this tire sensors for $245, and then installation for $100. The shop that I took him to get the sensors programmed, they couldn't do it. Took it to Discount Tire. Dude did it in 3 minutes flat. His name is Ryan. Shout out to Ryan that probably never watched this video at Discount Tire in Dallas. Yeah, Ryan had these programmed in 3 minutes flat. So these are 19 by 8 in the front, and they're 19 by 9 in the rear. They actually look really good on the car. I didn't think they would look that good, but I like them a lot. Car rides a lot smoother, obviously, because it's a thicker tire. I think they're the rears are going to be the same. These basically the same specs as OEM. So the rears are 265, 35, 19s, and I think the fronts are let's see, 235, 40, 19s. So, and then I had an Icon lip in my garage for months. When I'm talking about like months. So I finally went ahead and tossed that on. So it actually flows a lot better with the lip and the lip and the wheels. I think it's actually a really good look. Little knickknacks that I had. I went to Hawaii a couple weeks ago. So they have this thing called the Aloha movement. It's actually about basically stop building on Hawaii. So I like the way it was reflective, and I added that to the car. Really haven't done too much. Added a blue LED light. I'm a Lyft driver, so if you have watched that video and came to this, what's up? If you want to know how I made $5 grand in 12 days, watch the other video in the link in the description. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's kind of my update for now. So like I said, I'm about to rebarrel these wheels. That one's going to get fixed temporarily so I can still go to car shows and still semi-stunt. And I have these. Now, the wheels that came on the car originally, the 18-inch Inkies, I'm actually about to sell them for $600. So I will put a link in the description for my Craigslist ad if you are interested in buying my 18-inch Inkies. I don't know the exact specs, so I'll I'll try to research it and put it in there. But so far, that is the update on the car. No major mechanical issues. I'm at 115,000 miles. I drive this car a lot. If I'm not driving my Infiniti, this car has been super reliable. Only thing that I'm not really a big fan of is I recently did my front brakes. So I know a lot of people had a lot of people have asked on the Lexus forum, you know, what brakes and rotors are you using? Well, I still like OEM rotors, and I chose OEM pads, but the OEM pads leave incredible amounts of dust. So I think I'm actually gonna just switch to some different pads, and I actually want to paint my calipers too. So I don't know which color. I'm thinking something bright, kind of want to stick out. But yeah, I'm definitely about to paint the calipers and switch the pads because they leave incredible amounts of dust. My wheel is this clean because I just got finished washing it. I can drive 15-20 miles, and I'm telling you, it's covered in soot. And I don't know if that's just an OEM thing or if I installed them wrong, but pads in this car is very simple. If you are changing the pads on this car, you need to get brand new shims. They're just a little piece that sits in between the pad and the caliper itself. Get that. If you're experiencing squealing, put some grease in between the shim and the pad, and that should necessarily fix the issue. They don't squeal. They used to squeal, but they don't squeal at all when I put new shims in it. So that's the Lexus update, and I think the next thing that's on the list is when I took it to Lexus, they said it's time for it's getting close to time for a new serpentine belt. So I'm going to either research how to do that. I really don't want the dealer to do that because that's really expensive, and serpentine belts can be easy or they can be difficult. I don't know. I'm gonna look into it. But anyways, that's the update, guys. So let me know what you think of the new wheels. Are you feeling the Lexus OEM forged wheels or not? Or you just think the 7Ks is just the way to go? So, all right, y'all. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.